In this video, I'm going to show you how to create PowerPoint presentations with ChatGPT AI in a simple step-by-step way. If you want to save time, speed up your workflow, and turn one prompt into a full presentation outline, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to generate slide titles and bullet points with ChatGPT, download your file, open it in PowerPoint, and then design your slides so they look clean and professional. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once you're inside, you only need one prompt to get started. Type, create a PowerPoint presentation on your topic with slide titles and bullet points. You can replace your topic with anything you want, such as marketing strategy, healthy eating, social media growth, business planning, school projects, or even a product pitch. The key is to be clear and specific, so ChatGPT knows exactly what kind of presentation to build for you. After you send the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a full presentation structure for you. This usually includes a title slide, several content slides, and bullet points under each one. If the first version is too short or too broad, you can refine it by asking for more slides, simpler wording, or a more professional tone. Once you have the outline you want, copy it and save it. Depending on your workflow, you may use that content to paste into PowerPoint manually or into another presentation tool first before bringing it into PowerPoint. The next step is to download it and open it in PowerPoint. If you already have the content in a document, make sure everything is organized slide by slide so it's easy to transfer. Then open Microsoft PowerPoint and create a new presentation. Start adding each slide title and the matching bullet points from ChatGPT. This is where the AI does the heavy lifting for your structure, and PowerPoint becomes the place where you polish the design. Now that your content is in PowerPoint, it's time to design the slides. Choose a clean theme, use consistent fonts, and make sure your colors match the topic of your presentation. Then add images, icons, and animations where they make sense. For example, you can use icons to highlight key points, images to make the slides more engaging, and subtle animations to keep the presentation smooth and professional. Just remember not to overload the slides with too much text or too many effects. The best presentations are clear, simple, and easy to follow. A great tip is to keep each slide focused on one main idea. That makes your presentation easier to read and more visually appealing. You can also use ChatGPT again if you want help rewriting bullet points, simplifying complex information, or generating a better slide outline. That's one of the biggest advantages of using AI for presentations. It helps you move faster and stay organized from start to finish. So that's how you create PowerPoint presentations with ChatGPT AI. Open ChatGPT, enter one clear prompt, download your content, open it in PowerPoint, and then design your slides with images, icons, and animations. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more AI and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.